I'm going to show you how to make your very own wrapping paper. Perfect for this time of the year. All you need, just some plain A3 paper. You could use the back of some old wrapping paper if you wanted to, but I'm just going to show you this very quick design with robins. So I'm going to be using some plain paper. Just need something to colour with. I'm using these pens, nice big thick pens, or you can use crayons or whatever you've got really. Start off in the middle. You just need to do random robins. So you do a shape like that and it kind of round. There we go, that sort of shape in the middle. I'm just going to colour that in. The great thing about doing this sort of wrapping paper is it doesn't have to be, it can be quite rough, you don't have to do it really neatly. So let's just draw another shape like that. And just dot them around your piece of paper. Great thing about these pens is you can draw on top and you can still see the red underneath. You'll see what I mean. I'm just going to add the body, the rest of the robin, like that. There we go. And let's do another one there. Once you've done that, I'm just going to add the eyes and the little beaks, maybe the feet as well, and maybe a little few lines just to show the wings. Feeling festive? There you go. Oh, missed out the robin's feet there. You could just leave it like that with robins. Add some swirls or some snow, that would be quite nice. I'm going to add a little bit of holly as well. Just do like that. They don't look very much like holly leaves at the moment, but it's just filling in the gaps. And then take red pen, it's going to add the berries like that. Last but not least, I can take my blue pen again and just do a little quick outline of the holly. The way you do that is this. See, I'm not actually going over the green. I'm leaving a bit of a white space because I kind of like that. It gives it a bit more of a fresh look. So you just draw a line down the middle. This would make it a very special present, especially if you've got small presents. If you wrap them up in your very own wrapping paper, it makes it even more special. There we go. So there's my robin and holly wrapping paper. So you could just draw the holly if you wanted to, or you could just draw the birds. Don't have to draw everything. What do you think? I think that looks great. You could even do a Christmas card, or if you stuck that on card, you could cut them out and make your own little gift tags as well. Merry Christmas!